Hey, so what's up guys? It's GoPro Brayton here. And today, we're at an abandoned house. Well, it wasn't really abandoned. The state bought it out for the highway that I'm vlogging about, and this will be this week's vlog where I kind of walk around in here. So, they moved most of the house. There's only that part standing. And there's the garage. Then they have all that bulldozers and stuff over there, so I'm gonna try to be pretty quiet because I really don't want to be heard. So there's some duct work. So this was the main part of the house that they moved. But yeah, I kind of got to be careful in here because I don't have very good shoes, and I'm just wearing some North Face tennis shoes, and I don't really want to get seen. This is kind of trespassing because there were signs out here way back saying no trespassing. I don't want to go in that garage. I just don't know what I'm going to see in there. Maybe I'll see even if it's open. Okay, so there's nothing in there. That's kind of scary. I just didn't want an animal to come running out or something. So this is where the highway's coming through. So, yeah, I'll go. Let's head over to the heavy equipment next and go check that stuff out. So, I'll ride my bike over there. Today I got my GoPro on it. But they got a rollie, a few bulldozers, and then a lot of scrapers. So yeah, these are pretty big and awesome. That one's pretty old. Can't believe they're still using something like that. These ones here are pretty big. Just look at that. Those tracks. These things could just push our bobcat around. Like, just look at that blade though on that thing. So, kind of wraps it up for this week's vlog, I guess. I didn't really want to go any farther, but I kind of wanted to keep this video mainly short because my last one got super long. So anyways, you guys